Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find username settings on your account on X, Twitter, easy and quick. First click on your profile. Now click settings and privacy. Here you will find your account, just click on it like this, and here you will find account information, click on it, and here you will find username settings. Here you can manage if you want, you can edit it, and click done, and this will be changed. And that's it for today. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.